Okay, today we're going to do a little tutorial on a Kwikset smart lock key. So how to make copies for a smart lock. And if you don't know what a smart lock is, this is just the innards of one. Obviously this isn't what you see on your door, but you can see there is two keyholes. The brass is for the residence copy, and the black is for my copy. And I have these on about every single one of my residents. Makes it real easy to get in when resident isn't home. I don't have to go pulling keys. I have one key that gets me into every single deadbolt. So these are really awesome. These are a maintenance guy's dream. I mean, these just make it so easy. So this is a set from one of those smart locks. This is the residence copy. So today I'm just going to show you real quickly how to make copies of this. First, you'll have to have the right blanks. If you have a key machine, I'm sure this is one of the first sets of blanks that you probably have around. Fairly common. As you can see, I deal with a few different types of keys and doors. So just a real quick tutorial. First, you're going to want to set the key you want to make the copy of. So you're going to place it in key platform and tighten it up. You'll feel there's a notch down here, and you want to slide it this way until it hits that notch. This notch right here, it'll actually hit that and stop it. And that's how you know that you're in the right position. So you're going to do the same over here with your blank copy. Blank copy in, slid up to the notch, tighten your platform, nice and tight. You do not want your key sliding around. If your key slides around, your cup gets moved, you will not get the key to unlock the deadbolt. It's just that simple. Tighten them down, you won't have a problem. You're going to want to bring this down, and this just checks to see if your keys are lined up on platform. You can see here there's another notch at the top. That's where that's going to sit to show you that it is lined up with the second key. What this does is make sure that your cuts are exact on both. These will end up being the same key. After you know that they're lined up, pull this back up. Very important, pull that back up. This will only move one way if you don't pull that up, and it's not the right way. You can see there is a little 45 right here, and that's actually what our key is going to follow. So very simple. It's going to move up here, and as I'm moving it down this line, this wheel is actually going to cut the second key exactly where it sits on here. Fairly simple method. This machine is just really a motor with the cutting tool on it and lined up. So let's go ahead and cut our first key. I will actually go at it a couple times. To reassure that every notch is hit correctly. So here is our identical key. Okay. It's not the final step. One more step after this. fairly simple. So on the same axle as your cutting tool is a deburr brush. So what this does is after your key is cut, you'll see there's a little bit of burrs on there. And you don't want those floating around in a deadbolt somewhere. And you don't want a resident to cut themselves on it either. So what you're going to do is you turn your wheel back on and it'll start spinning. And there's your finished key. Isn't it beautiful? Very simple. All you need is the blanks and the machine. And like I said, this machine is pretty old. And like I said, they're very simple. There's your motor, belt. Belt drives the wheel. Your cut tool, your deburr brush. Very, very simple mechanics. So, until next time, if you guys have any questions, I do consider myself pretty wide in trade, so something you guys want to learn or something you guys are curious about, leave a comment in the video, and I'll try to make a little tutorial on anything you would want. So, thank you guys. Bye.